Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka nyotrek mentau benai no pra arza ka khandai. Ke Christ School International Nosder Umiam kabaran Hapori Boy District. Ringkat ke Jintrelang bat ke Kongkong Lige Loyi Foundation na Guwahati. Kilapun ko borom ya kisangot kiriu Tremon Sobha. Kibala no senyang haki benta baper-per haki imlang salang hakeleng kejela jong kani katahan cecila mingi jong kari India. Ya kani kejelang salam khusnam ya kebala tip kum ke North East India Award for Peace 2019. Lapelong hakani ke skol. Hak balai don langru unong ai boy barang bakdo jong ke Sarkar Jela Meghalaya u Dr. Didi Lapang ubala long kongsan hakani ke jelang ringkat ke Jingdon Lang u principal jong kani ke skol u Dr. C Varghese bat kiwede kibala sakot sobha na kisangot kiriu pokmat kani ke tahan cecila mingi kibala yok buram hakani ke sngi kentop ru ya arngot nakani ke Jela Meghalaya kawai ke de ke long keme kabadai ke no hikai hakaju kapor kanong thau jen roi tan rai bat kalong keme ke bapersang ban penek pensa ya ke deti tan rai jong ke beri unyo trep kata ke kong selbi pasa bat uwei pat udai Reverend Father Ronald Kharkrang ki arngot ki wei pat ki balayok buram lang hakani ke sngi ki kentom yu Reverend Dr. CP Anto ubolong director jong ke Peace Channel na Kohima Nagaland bat ujabong Modi na ke Jela Arunachal Pradesh hakani ke sngi kini ki sangwon na lor ke citation ke le khusnam ru da kapisa mar arpusan hajar tingka marwei
India has one dream, Mahatma Gandhi, when he said, I will not die unless freedom is achieved. Do or die, that is the rule. Freedom of mobility and religion, we got freedom and unchangeable. Some people were very translation to reality whether I'm very happy and to get associated with this function, very grand, very appreciation and to see the masses of this function of the day. I appreciate the audience, Reverend Dr. C.V. Andrew, and this is Reverend Father Ronald Kharkrang, please come with me. I'm glad to be able to congratulate the managing trustee of KKNL Foundation in Ohio, where I'm so glad to be with you here. I'm especially so glad to be amidst the young people, the white men plus here. Catch them and make the right answer. Young friends, you are having the government and they have a better job to have a practical and usually than the very people who share the world. Young friends are living in a very challenging situation. Very you see, we have to write today, and we are here for somebody else as God creator has done for each and every one. To be successful, shine and outside others, you know very hard. Thomas Alva Edison said, there is no substitute for harmony. Rather, it must said, if you are one with the star, if you are catch the star, and this high, lofty mountain will be yours. We learn that we are to be there. There are people in the history of the world that could survive in spite of all of man. That God of a great man is not a great man. Now Buddha is just 5 feet per minute. His students, his colleagues, his parents who should teach him. He is very short, not very attractive, and we thought this short fellow would do nothing in life. When the time comes, this short fellow from a great man, little corporal of Corsica, a great leader, and his counterpart, friend, whoever him, when it's very long, is good. A boy can feel him, make him cry because of the very short. They ask how one part will become so great when there is so little when you are a child. Now really invite one friend. You invite one friend, and he said, I become great because the word impossible would not be found in my dictionary. Okay. Young friend, do you dare to say so? Can you say that? Can you have the courage to win? Dare to win should be the motto of the man who is somebody in his garden.